Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome back. It is design install day today. So I am headed there. My husband and Kaden are my partners in crime today, and they are already on the job unloading furniture from, what is it called? The trailer. So some of our brands that I purchase from won't ship to our clients. Most of the time when I order stuff for client projects, I ship it straight to the client and they store it until today, design install day. But some of the brands, like I said, are wholesale that are like, nope, we're not shipping to residential. So blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so they're unloading. Today's a master bedroom. What has Free Spirit Designs already done there? We have hung wallpaper already, and the whole room got painted by our team as well. So the wallpaper and paint are done. Today is when we add all the beautiful things. Something else that's already been done is the bed has been assembled, but otherwise it's a blank slate. And I just remembered that I really need my vacuum. So I'm going to turn around. I'm like doing a mental list. You see all the stuff in my car. It's so much. I don't normally bring a vacuum to the job, but the reason why I'm doing that is because we've also been in this client's master bathroom. Now, I don't have any footage really to show you of that. I don't know why. I just let Scott gut it. So what we did, which I'll show you and talk through when we're on the job, but there was a lot of dust. Even though we put a wall up, our client found out that there were no filters in his AC. So a little tip, when you're doing construction in your house, put a brand new filter in because all the dust and things have to be caught. So unfortunately, even though we did a zipper wall and everything like we would normally to keep the dust maintained in the bathroom when we did tile tear out, it sadly went throughout the client house. So I have a really great vacuum and I want to just vacuum the rug really good, try to get as much of that dust out before we start installing, but I just remembered that I never loaded it. So I see the ironing board, which I often forget. For the drapes, I'm gonna miss Erica today. She will do design installs with us a lot. Anyway, so I will see you guys on the job. Guys, look who showed up today. I'm so happy. Oh, look who showed up. And she called and was like, hey, I'm right around the corner. Yes, please. Our client has a lot of rooms at this house and he is one single man. So I found a room that has a bed but no side tables. So we're going to move these old side tables to that room upstairs. And you know, a fun tip in your own home is do things like this. Take things from one room and swap them to another. Now is the time of year as all, our Christmas decorations are down. We're refreshing. We're thinking about spring. It's a great time to, whether you change out your draperies or pillows or things like side tables from one room into another room. It's free. It just takes your time. So try to think like that about your own home. I'm so in love with you. You got me down. So since we installed black wallpaper on this wall, this outlet was white, but you can see we're going to switch it out for a black one so it won't be as noticeable or offensive as the white one. So Scott just had some sparks happening, but that would be one tip. Turn the breaker off when you're messing with outlets. Yeah. It's getting very exciting in here, you guys. I have vacuumed the whole space. I wiped out all the lighting and the new fan is up. The bed is in place and I think Erica is going to be unboxing our side tables soon. Let's check on Caden. How's it going in here, Caden?
It's going good.
You learning how to hang tile?
Oh yeah. Oh, I already learned.
You already learned. I love that. It's so great. You guys, have you ever seen a mattress in a bag? This is literally our client's new mattress and it's so heavy. And Erica didn't even offer to help me.
Whatever. Hey, get this on camera.
I'm always nervous to use a razor blade. Why? Because I have cut a client's couch before. Their brand new couch. Here it comes. Ah! Your packaging. Oh no, I think we have to flip it. I know. Oh gosh. It's so heavy. Ah, see? Stuff in that. Coming up is work.
Dreaming on that.
Tell our friends
You have to drink out of a fancy cup.
I do! That's true. I hate drinking out of plastic or like paper. In fact, in the mornings, we've been drinking kombucha, me and Scott, and I pour it in fancy wine glasses. It's special. Honey. Yeah.
The panel.
But he is also a little bougie. And so he's like, oh, I want it to feel amazing, but we also want functionality for him. So this is nice and lightweight, so like silky and
I think
we did it wrong. Eric and I are experts at putting duvets on. So, you got any tips, Erica? No tips.
Crickets.
My tips are turn the duvet cover inside out first. Then you also want to lay out the duvet on the bed because, well, you'll see. It's going to be so much easier. And whenever you buy decorative pillows, make sure they come off so you can wash them. This is going to look so good. Yay! So we lay this out first. And when you buy a good duvet, it's going to have these little loops in the corners. These little loops are going to hold the actual coverlet in place.
I'm like casting a net.
And when you buy good brands, they have ties. This bedding came from West Elm, and you never buy bedding that you can't wash and dry, in my opinion. I mean, you could always take it to the dry cleaner if it says that, but we're low maintenance at Free Spirit in that regard. We have to have functional, beautiful things. And you don't have to spend $1 million on bedding or draperies. Like brands like West Elm and Pottery Barn, Ballard Design, they all have really good quality. Once you have your duvet tied, you're going to reach your hand in and you're going for the opposite corner so we can flip it right side out. Don't mind Scott hanging the draperies in the background. And another tip, make the bed with a friend.
Yeah, it's a shame.
Look how gorgeous. I cut my finger while putting the harp on the lamp, and this couch is white. So Scott had a brilliant idea. I don't have any Band-Aids. This hand is clean. My bloody. Ooh, look at him.
All right.
So cozy and a little sexy for a master bedroom. What am I doing?
I'm picking it up and going that way.
Instead of putting a dresser in the client's room because he has a huge closet and doesn't need a dresser, we decided to do a console, like buffet style, in his room instead. So he has plenty of storage. Eventually, we're going to cut a door here, like a secret door, going into a separate closet for more personal storage. But that's phase 2, kind of like the bathroom. So this is phase 1 of this project. It's a huge improvement. We'll definitely show you the before, and you're obviously experiencing the after. Ooh, look at the pretty side. Yay! Oh my gosh, this texture is amazing. It's like linen on top of it. It's like the paper is like linen-y. You guys, I choose things online, but they're always so much better in person. Ah, beautiful. If you've missed my hair drying trick and tip before, stickers. Like, how dumb are they that they put it right in the front of the book? And I was able to manage to get this guy off, and it was on the back. So a hair dryer is how you can peel stickers off easily, even on a book. Let's do it. your new room. This is my favorite part.
Okay. Wow. It's like a hotel, right?
Yeah, who gets to live here?
You do.
That's awesome. Looks very nice. What a great job. It looks like nothing like what it was before.
Yes. Love it.
Great work, team.
Here's the bathroom I was telling you guys about, and there is my husband Scott and Kaden working on the vertical tiles. This tile is already done underneath there, but we've covered it with ram board to protect it. This used to be a shower.
See it?
Yeah. This used to be a shower, and now it's a sauna that we built for the client. So fun, and a glass door is gonna go here. Gorgeous. So we have this tile that will be on the bottom, and then this large wall tile, and then I wanted to go with a white vertical on top. This is gonna be a wood beam where his shower is gonna come out. So this area here used to actually be a bathtub.
Not wood, it's gonna be drywall.
Oh, it is?
He doesn't want wood.
Oh,
I would have just bought a big piece of wood. The wood would have been easier.
okay.
I got an corner bead and mud, all that.
Gotcha. And we
He
still have to
doesn't
paint
want
the
it.
bathroom. It's gonna be that grayish color. Okay, very good.
I
So,
would have given him a nice cedar beam to match his sauna.
yeah, the sauna looks amazing.
Looks
There's
good.
Prince, his dog.
Right here.
Nice. So nice. So this is like a partial
Hey, look.
remodel because he only wanted the tub converted to a shower and the shower converted to a sauna.
The height is good.
Yeah, the height's perfect. But he's not changing the floor. We wish he was. And none of this is changing. Even, yeah.
Yeah.
But
Not
it's
yet.
a huge, not yet. It's like a
Phase one.
phase one bathroom remodel. Thank you guys for hanging out with us today. I hope you had fun. Maybe you were inspired or learned something today. We would love for you to hit the subscribe button so you can come back every single week on Thursday. We always post a new video. We are a very eclectic mix here on our channel, and I am so grateful that you're here every week. Tell me below, what is your favorite part of this master bedroom masculine single man's makeover? Such a fun job. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys, and we'll see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe and comment what's your favorite part. Bye, guys.
Okay, you gotta move. What are you doing with your phone right here today?
It's recording Erica cleaning windows.
Why?
Trying to get the mattress in the room. It's a good workout. True story. At Christmas, our cats would have this hanging out of their bed. So good.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down.